Okay, 61 says solve the equation, so let's start. So I'll distribute in, I get 2x plus 9, right? 2 times x, 2 times 4.5 equals 32. We'll subtract 9 from both sides. 2x equals 23. Divide both sides by 2, and we get x equals 23 halves for A, and you can leave it just like that. B, we get 6 plus 2.5x equals 21. We subtract 6 from both sides, right? We get 2.5x equals 15, right? Divide both sides by 2.5, 2.5. And x, for this one, how many times does 2.5 go into 15? It goes in to 6 times, right? So x equals 6. And C, the last one, x over 9 equals 5/16. For these, we can cross multiply, right? So we get 16 times x equals 9 times 5. So 16x equals 45. Divide both sides by 16. We get x equals 45/16, right? And there's no common factor, so we can leave it as x equals 45/16.